Yes. Hello, my dear students. Now put your hands together for the performer. What's your name? आने दे. What's your name? Simran Kaur. So again, put your hands together. Give a big round of applause. Very good.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I am Simran Kaur. I would like to thank my honorable sir and all of you to give me this beautiful opportunity to deliver a speech on this powerful and emotional topic, women empowerment, because I am also a girl and I will be a woman in future. Firstly, I want to ask you all that do you know what is the meaning of women empowerment? Women empowerment means to make a woman powerful, to vanish all the discrimination between a man and woman, to make them equal to men, to empower their bodies, their souls, their confidence and their skills. A woman is not only a sister, a woman is not only a mother, a woman is not only a wife, a woman is not only a sister. Women are themselves a warrior who fight in their entire life for their rights, for their education, for everything in their life. Women are the most strongest word in the entire world. I can write a book on this particular word. I cannot describe this particular word in just one sentence. So the entire university is going on because of women. So many questions arises in my mind that why don't people and the parents let their daughters to go out for night out as their sons? Why don't parents not let their daughters to wear their favorite dresses? Why doesn't society treat them equal to men? Why all the discrimination between men and women arises? But nobody has the perfect answer for my question, because according to the society, girl cannot laugh much, girl cannot talk much, girl cannot go out in night alone, girl should be virgin till the marriage, girl should not be untouched till the marriage. So I would like to tell all the parents and all of you who can hear me here that don't let your girl to know that you are more stronger than anyone else. You can do anything in your life. You are not lesser than any boy. Let them know that you can do anything in future. So many organizations in India are increasing day by day and open free academies for self-development of girls and free self-defense academies for girls for making them independent. And the agenda of women empowerment will spread. I hope it will spread all over the India very soon and towards the urban areas mostly, because many peoples and many parents in urban areas do not give their children the proper do not give their girls to educate to feel them educated. So at last I want to tell all the girls that be strong, face all the problems, because girls are themselves a warrior. They don't need any bodyguard to protect them. Just feel that you are stronger than anyone else. You are not lesser than any boy. Just be strong and prove this society that you are stronger than anyone else. I cannot say that women are more than boys or men, but I can say that they are equally important and they are equal to a man. So at last I want to dedicate few lines for girls that अपमान ना करना लड़कियों का, इनके बल पर जग चलता है, पुरुष जन्म लेकर भी तो इन्हीं की गोद में पलता है, ऊर्जा है, ऊष्मा है, प्रकृति है, पृथ्वी है, ये आदि धरती है, यही तो स्त्री है. थैंक यू ऑल.